sheets of books, trying to grasp brain-draining lessons. This is the only night that all juniors and seniors are gathered together to celebrate in a single rendezvous. This is our grand night, a night of intoxication and enjoyment. I am very elated tonight to see our classmates, teachers, and parents smiling and looking their best. Tonight, we will make our own fairy tale, since our loved ones are all here. How about you? How do you feel?
Well, a little bit nervous but very excited. This is my first time to attend a majestic gathering like this. I can't wait any longer to dance with the girl I admire most, to tell her that she looks fatally gorgeous tonight.
Oh, you really are very excited tonight. Due to our too much excitement and delight, we almost forgot to start the program at once.
Yeah, exactly.
To exalt and glorify the name of our Almighty Father, may I request everybody to rise for an invocation, which will be led by Ms. Karen Jane M. Dupuis.